Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you the best Olymp trading strategy. But before we begin, if you want to get the best trading strategy, the best money management system and much more, then make sure to join the VIP group. The link will be in the description box down below. With that said, let's get started. The strategy is very basic, easy and simple. It uses horizontal support and resistance to identify an area of value. Stochastic oscillator as a momentum indicator to measure overbought and oversold conditions, and a reversal bullish or bearish engulfing candlestick pattern to serve as an entry trigger. The strategy works on all time frames and the trade time is 5 candles. For an up trade, identify a strong support level. Wait for the stochastic oscillator indicator to show oversold market condition. When a bullish engulfing pattern appears, take a trade for 5 candles. For a down trade, identify a strong resistance level. Wait for the stochastic oscillator indicator to show overbought market condition. When a bearish engulfing pattern appears, take a trade for 5 candles. So that was it for this video. I hope it has been helpful. If you have any questions, then make sure to leave them in the comment down below. And if you want to get the best trading strategy, the best money management system and much more, then make sure to join the VIP group. The link will be in the description box down below. With that said, see you in the next video.